Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, you guys. Today I am starting Vlogmas and I am super excited. I hope that you guys are excited too, and we're going to kick it off with a tablescape, a Christmas tablescape. I'm going to show you guys how I did my simple yet elegant tablescape for Christmas, and I am super excited about it. If you are new here, my name is Shushana. Hello and welcome. If you like decorating content, lifestyle vlogs, cleaning motivation, I would love for you to consider subscribing, because that is what I do here on my channel. And definitely double tap that bell so that you don't miss out on any of my Vlogmas. Y'all, I want you guys to pray for me, okay? Because it's going to take a whole army to help me with Vlogmas this year. But I am super excited, you guys. I cannot wait to just take you guys through Vlogmas. So Vlogmas this year for me is going to be very different. It's not just going to be vlogs. It's basically going to be everything that I do anyway on my channel. But I'm going to have a lot of home decor, a lot of renovations going on, some family things, stuff happening, just a lot of fun, and a lot of new things. So I'm super excited, and I hope that you guys are excited about Vlogmas. Comment down below if you are excited about Vlogmas, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you are extremely excited about Vlogmas. Okay, so let's get into the video. Right now, as you can see, I am just kind of fluffing this little garland that I have. This was actually a 9-foot garland that I got from Walmart. And I basically just broke off a part of it because I don't need 9 feet of garland on my table. And you're only going to see me set a place setting, a 5 people place setting, because I'm kind of just wanting to show you, without being encumbered by the chair in front there. So this table setting turned out so nice, you guys. To me, it's simple. It's not elaborate, considering the fact that you guys know how elaborate I can make my tablescapes. But this year I just wanted to go simple. When we're sitting across the table, I need to see everybody's faces so we can talk and, just have good conversations and everything like that. So I'm so excited the way that it turned out. Let me know down below if you guys are enjoying this video, and also if you are enjoying my content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and enjoy this video.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So guys, I want y'all to tell me what exactly is it that you guys want to see from me during Vlogmas, because I do want to put up all this home decor and all the things, cleaning and fun vlogs and things like that. But I also want to know what you guys want to see during Vlogmas, because your opinion does matter to me. Obviously, you guys are the ones that's coming back daily, day in and day out, supporting me constantly. And I just definitely want to make sure that I'm giving you guys, what you want as well from my channel, because this is not just about my channel. This is about us as a family. So I definitely want to hear from you guys what exactly you guys want to see more of during Vlogmas. Also, what do y'all think about my new intro, you guys? I am loving it. I think I played that intro like 100 times. I just love it so much. I've been looking for an intro for Christmas for so long, and I've kind of just been like, making my own intro and things like that. And while they're okay, I was just looking because I've always seen like everybody else have like these cool, digital intro, and it's just, they are beautiful. So I was just like, where they get all this intro from? So I went and I researched looking for an intro for Christmas, and I finally found one, and I am loving it. So definitely let me know down in the comment section if you guys are loving the new intro, because I am loving it. Also, have you guys started Christmas shopping yet? Because it's December 1st and I have not started yet. I am so late to the game. I have not started not one Christmas shopping. So let me know. Do you guys normally like start ahead of time, like months in advance, or like, a year in advance? Or are you guys like late birds like me that just start buying stuff whenever? I'm an Amazon shopper. I don't like to do the Black Friday deals like going into the store. I like to shop online, or, I'll run to Target or TJ Maxx or what have you. But I don't like to do like going into the stores on Black Friday because I don't like all the crowds and the chaos and the drama that comes with that. So let me know. Can I speak? You guys let me know. Do you like the black shopping, Lord have mercy, the Black Friday shopping in stores, or do you guys like it online as well? And let me know, have you guys started your Christmas shopping yet?
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, for you and me.
So you guys are probably wondering, why am I using these little lights for my candle stands? I normally don't burn candles in my home, and I know that they have like the fake candles. I don't have any, and I wasn't going out to buy any. But I wanted to use these little lights because I had like 100 of them, and I figured I can put them underneath the candle stand and it will give off that illumination of fire. And I think it turned out really, really nicely. It was just like a quick thought that came to mind. And I think it's something that I'm definitely going to be using more often, because if you don't know, I do have a child that have Down syndrome, and she's 17 developmentally. She's 2 years old, and she gets into everything. So I didn't want to put fire on the table around her, because that's just not wise. And so I wanted to have the illumination of light on the table, but also being safe as well. So let me know what you guys think of my little contraption with the lights. I think that it turned out so nicely. I am loving this tablescape. I think it's probably one of my favorite simple tablescapes, and I love this ribbon. I got it from Amazon. I will actually link it down below if I could find it. I ordered it last year, you guys, and never used it. But I love the way that it looks on the table. Obviously, I love the message because that is my life. Jesus is the reason for the season. And so I love the message that it gives. And it just keeps Christ in the center of our home and our Christmas decor and all the fun and festivities. And I'm just loving it. So y'all let me know what you think about my tablescape. I think that it turned out really nice. It's definitely not over the top. I mean, for some people it may be, but for me, it's not. It's very simple. But I love the way that it looks. And I also love the stems, the glass, with the burgundy. It kind of pulls that burgundy from the living room and the foyer and such. So I just love the way that it turns out. And I can't wait for y'all to see the house tour, how everything just comes together. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 2. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And that he is the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow